Heard a friend sing other night. Small room, just a light. Didn't push, didn't try. Sang like God was nearby. Didn't clap, didn't move. Felt like sound wouldn't do. Some songs don't come and go, they just sit in your soul. Walk back home, slow that night. String still humming in my mind. Tried to shake what I heard, but it stayed like a word. I've been moving most my life, calling distance some kind of right. Every road felt like proof I could leave what I knew. Never stopped long enough to see what stayed when I ran. Kept on thinking if I moved I'd outpace who I am. Turns out running from nothing is just running from God. And He don't chase you down, He just waits where you stop. Picked this guitar, sat right here, ain't got his voice, that much is clear. Hands still shake when I play, still got something to say. Every mile that I drove was a mercy I ain't know. Every turn that I missed, He still made room for this. I said His name now and then, like a word I have meant. Now it sounds like a door I ain't walked through before. Held my pride like it paid, like a debt I had made. But love don't keep a ledger, don't count what you owe. I've been counting my failures, He don't count them at all. I thought freedom was leaving everything I couldn't face, but you don't outrun your shadow, you just learn its shape. So this ain't a song like his, ain't strong, ain't clean, just a man in a room saying thanks for what he's seen. God, you stayed when I didn't. You spoke when I wouldn't listen. You gave what I never earned, and you waited through every turn. If this is all I got, it's yours. Where I stopped running, I finally heard you.